All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to manually turn on your RainBird system. All you got to do is come back to your dashboard here. You're going to notice it's on Tuesday. And all I've got to do is just press this button and we'll go through all the different stages. I think I got 5 or 6 of them. So let's go ahead and just do that. We'll go outside and check it out. All right, so here it is. You can see it's pretty dry here now. So I've got to run the sprinklers. I'm going to run them tonight and then they're going to run tomorrow. And I may have to replace this one because it's just not doing what it's supposed to do. It's not coming all the way up. You see that? So I may have to get a new one. Just like that. May have to get a new one there. I mean, look at it. Turn it. There we go. Yeah, that's not working at all, is it? Come on up. All the way up. Yeah, see the water's shooting out of here. So I need a new one of these. Definitely need a new one of those. All right, so that's going to be on my list for Home Depot.